This video describes the Ruckus Cloud onboarding process to get you up and running with your first Ruckus Cloud account. To get your Ruckus Cloud account, your first step is to go to cloud.ruckuswireless.com and click on the text Sign up for the free trial to create an account that will start your free trial period. This will bring up a page for you to enter your email. After clicking on Verify, a page comes up for you to fill in your contact information. Then you would click on Begin Trial. You'll receive a confirmation email with your activation code. Click on this activation code link in the confirmation email and log into the Ruckus Cloud user interface. Now that you've activated your Ruckus Cloud account, you'll need to set up your first APs. If you already have an unleashed network, unplug all the unleashed APs first from your router or switch. Then remove the new access point from its box and connect its Ethernet port to your local router. After you have configured your first AP, you can then connect your other unleashed APs or other 11AC Ruckus APs and connect them to the Ruckus Cloud as well. We have other videos that show you how to do this. For a list of supported APs, visit the Ruckus website or speak with your Ruckus partner or reseller. When your AP's power and DIR LEDs are solid green, your access point has successfully received its local IP address and connected to the cloud controller. Now you're ready to configure it. After logging into the Ruckus Cloud portal, you'll need to create a venue. A venue is a physical space where you are deploying at least one access point that you will be managing using the Ruckus Cloud. To set up a venue, select Venue on the navigation bar, then click on the plus New Venue at the upper right, and then fill in the venue name, address, and phone number of where the venue is physically located. Next, you'll add your first access point. Select APs on the navigation bar, then click on the plus New AP in the upper right corner of the page. Select the venue you want your access point to be part of, give it a name and description, and then enter the AP serial number, which can be found on the bottom of the access point along with its MAC address. As a note, after your AP has been configured, do not disconnect or remove the power to the access point at this time, as firmware and configurations are being loaded onto the access point. Interrupting this process could disable the access point, which would require the firmware to be reloaded manually. Next, you'll create your first WLAN or SSID. Select Networks on the navigation bar on the left, and then click on plus New Network at the upper right. You'll enter data on 4 windows. The first is the Network Details page, where you'll enter the wireless LAN name, the name of the SSID, and description. Then you'll select the network type, which can be private, public, or a guest network. Next is the Security tab. Depending upon which type of network you're choosing to configure, here you can select different onboarding methods, such as self-sign-in through Facebook, Google, or LinkedIn, click-through, passphrase, or open. Then you'll select the venue you want to advertise or associate the wireless LAN to. You must select at least one venue. If you have only one, it will be selected by default. The final window is the wireless LAN summary. Here you can review your wireless LAN information and set client upload and download rates, enable client isolation, or enable band balancing. Then click on Create to create the wireless LAN. You can repeat this process and create additional types of wireless LANs with different security settings, such as a sponsored guest network or a private network where you can use CloudPath certificates. We have separate videos demonstrating how to set up different types of wireless LANs, and you can use the Ruckus Cloud User Guide or the online help from within the Ruckus Cloud portal to help guide you through this process. After a few minutes, the access point should be provisioned, and you can start connecting clients to the wireless LANs. From now on, you can use the Ruckus Cloud to add more APs, wireless LANs, create guest networks, monitor network performance, and assign different administrators. It's that easy. If you have any problems, you can contact Ruckus Support by going to support.ruckuswireless.com. Here you can use chat to talk with a support person, use the phone directory to get the correct support phone number for your area, which is shown on the chart on this slide or is available on the website, or you can open a case online. If you open a case online, make sure you select the case type, Ruckus Cloud.